Здравствуйте, друзья! Сегодня мы с вами играем Sleeping Dogs. Сейчас у меня довольно-таки поздно, поэтому я не буду сильно орать, хотя, возможно, уже сильно заорал, мои извинения. И еще у меня очень... Ладно, давайте так тихо, не начинай заново. Эта игра сохраняет... автоматически сохраняет свое влияние... Ну да.
Вроде так вот нормально. Экран.
Итак, братва, давайте-ка начнем новую игру. Новая игра вышла, да, есть. Окей, да. Удерживайте Space, чтобы ускориться. Управление, я так понимаю, уже странное. Загрузка.
OK，各單位準備，我睇實佢。
你捉個 waste 先好啊
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，前方右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you? 喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend.
Are you crazy? No, don't.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
再伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊 ！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it! Let's go! Let's go!
Итак, наконец-то нам дают
Come
поиграть. Так, давайте побежали.
Oh,
Space, чтобы
what's the
ускориться.
nets? Do you see anyone? I think they're after Wu, crazy fuck! Hurry up! Oh shit! Run!
Давай, погнали. Space.
Stay with me!
Спейсуем, братва,
Run!
спейсуем.
Hurry up!
Вау.
They're on us! Come on! He's getting away!
Так, надо ускориться, я забыл.
Fish, I hate fish! Are you crazy? Keep moving!
Давай.
You are in big
Блин,
trouble.
Keep going! You're not getting me! What's with these guys?
Hands on your head. Police, stop. Surrender.
Son of a bitch!
There's nowhere to hide. Don't make me chase you.
Хоба. Это божечка. Фига себе, как эпично.
Police, there's nowhere to go.
Kiddo！
Fuck.
捉住佢！捉住佢！
Обязательно надо ебать мне уши.
捉住佢！
Run,
捉
you
住
idiot!
佢！
Run!
He's running your way.
He's escaping on foot.
Just give it up. He's running your way. Don't make me chase you.
Отлично,
警察！
теперь
咪喐！
Whoa, 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 whoa.
我哋而家要拘捕你！
Come on, we can work something out, right?
唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。
Господи.
而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講，但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，而且成為呈堂證供，你明白？
Нормально. Надеюсь, я теперь не буду всю игру невидимой. Кажется, я уже знаю, как назвать этот выпуск. это вообще имеет значение?
Hey man, I told you next week. How can I
Эй,
buy,
помнишь,
okay?
говорил тебе, на
Okay.
следующей неделе. На следующей
Wait.
неделе, хорошо?
Wait, Shen? It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit.
А, я до сих пор не видел.
Lanaya, it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Man, you look like shit.
Умоляю.
Fuck you.
Спасите меня из этого
You know,
болота.
15 years to do that. You know, we're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old. But good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Yi. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Red Pole and the Sun on Yi. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but...
Вообще не шарю, о чем мне говорят.
Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your...
Без обид, братва, но я обязан это просто простить. Я невидимый. Еще и без субтитров. Субтитры куда-то делись. Вот прекрасное начало, согласитесь. Да блин. Если не будет субтитров, то я сразу же пропускаю.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to...
Господи, это очень странно и страшно. Позвольте наложить в штаны. Невидимки в наручниках. Как вообще на невидимого парня можно наспеть наручники? По крайней мере, так быстро. Ладно. Что-то...
Wait, Shen? Man, this is gonna be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find...
К чертям это все.
Still
О,
getting
да.
used to being back, huh?
Yeah.
Я обязан был это сделать, потому что... Это
Это
нереально. Задача обозначена специальным значком на мини-карте.
So Winston's a Red Pole now?
All this territory is Winston.
На секунду. Субтитры. Настройка. Экран. Игра. Субтитры. Просто включить. Сохранить. Все.
But Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both Red Poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole too.
Блин.
One thing,
Что-то в горле
when we
застряло.
get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild the paranoia.
Sun On Yi had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. It made it real slow and painful.
Да блин.
Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今日收你哋。校仔就認，打就企定。哼，你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Get off him! I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Видал, тебя невидимка толкнул. Жестко, да?
驗命長啊你！我覺得你搞錯咗咯。
Ой, стоп, я уже не видим.
開始。
Ну, ладно.
斬佢仆街！點嗌啊！
我會唔會有事㗎？
睇下你有冇命出去！
好似好多人驚咁嘅。
打到出去！
Хоп, хоп, хоп. Хопа. На. Вот это вертушка, вот это я понимаю.
點啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟你！斬啊！斬中你㗎！
Хопа. С вертухи, братан.
點啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟你！
Ебать.
屌你老母啊！
You kidding me?
你死硬啊！
Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
Ну давай, стиль невидимки сейчас покажет вам.
唉，死撚緊啊！你咁老大鑊啊！打返佢度！點走？點啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟你！
Сюда подошел.
我呢鋪食撚硬你啊！點啊？好撚驚啊！
Хоп, хоп,
腳軟
хоп,
你！
хоп.
你仔驚
Любишь, когда тебя бьют головой об стол? Я тоже.
Come on!
По мордасу.
Fuck you!
братан.
Are you done? I'm
На.
still here! Come and get me!
你話你死梗啊！
Ты думаешь, я закончил? Я еще не закончил, брат.
Damn, Way!
What did they do to you in America, man?
Это Америка, братан. Что-то не особо хрустнул, ну ладно. Эти черные экраны уже напряжены как-то.
That look nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes.
Невидимые парни.
So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No
He's
outsider.
not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us, Hochi all day. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
哦，Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇？
Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker.
Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you.
Интересно, как они
You
выглядят?
had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎。Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊。So, 10 guys, huh? You feel us? That's just crazy.
Try capable.
Талант.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
О, аллилуйя, не люблю катсцены, люблю играть, да? Да. Помню, как играл Dead by Daylight, это было просто что-то с чем-то. Я кайфовал, рубля этих зомби на кусочки.
All right, you wanna be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
Ладно, опять же таки поединок.
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about.
You like that?
Hey, you think you can fight? I bet you fall at the first punch. How about that? Come on, dude. Don't go easy on him.
That all you got?
Come on, Carboy. You can get him. You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens.
You gonna back down?
Alright, I'm gonna beat you and you're gonna take it. Wipe that smile off your face.
Come on, fight back! Why did you get out of here? Huh? You like that? How about that?
Hello, boys.
Чем мне кто-то тебе поможет? Не, ну в принципе я сам хочу их уложить. Ну вот, помощи в принципе отказываться это не культурно, да.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
And it was just getting interesting too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, Dog Eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? we can share the night market, huh? We're both Song On Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
It's Wei. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls with Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Wei's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, wait, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, Dog Eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Тебе, кабзда.
Hey, tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
Слушай, можно я за шкирку возьму?
Yeah, yes. Used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not Dog Eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. Momentai.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
Это правильное решение. Я заодно уработаю этого парня.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people expect.
Hey, big man, you want some new clothes?
Я чё-то не шарю, куда идти.
Why does everybody care about money? I just want to fall in love.
Hey, you mentioned your sister back there.
Amy? Yeah, she OD'd years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but
That sucks. She was, really alive.
my mother thought maybe a new city, new country, but the hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking, alright, I'll take it.
Thanks. I sure hope you come again. Come on in. I got special deal for you.
You gonna tell Winston?
No? You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss, but when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Hey, Hollywood movies, super cheap.
Наверное, я сейчас зря это купил.
You want DVDs?
Ну да, ладно.
Anything you want right here.
Блин, как же они орут. Хочу еще тише сделать. Че? Не знаю, утишит ли это Позорную площадь, но да ладно. Ну, вроде да.
Joey
Ладно.
Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
Что-то изи как-то.
You need anything? Just come ask.
Это было слишком легко. Он явно не хочет неприятностей.
No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes.
Так, давайте бежим. Выполните пробусы, потому что я хочу побоище, а не вымогательство.
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eyes said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we used to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
Do that. Okay, I will pay.
I'm
Вот
glad
и
I can make you
побежали.
see reason.
Take the money. But Dog Eye won't be happy.
А то уже бить этого парня как-то не особо. Лидеров и личка листа очков. Ага, ясно. Чем жестче я с ним что-то делаю, тем лучше.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These jerks are moving in
Ух
on
ты,
your
да-да-да.
territory.
Ну чё, кто-то атаковать будет?
Come on, guys! Kick his ass! Show him what you're made of!
Хоп. Давай, давай, такой. Хоп, пошел. Ну все, ты задрал. Подожди, чё, когда вас убрали цепь, несите.
What kind of protection is this? Beat that punk!
Наска. Комментарии будут,
So
мразь.
did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
Я довольно много накоцался в этой битве, потому что я лох.
Check over there.
Ну, в
Hey,
смысле,
look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf.
Давай, кто? Ты, может ты? Давай. Сдохни, Что там хотят убить с моим другом? Я твой. Ах ты мразь. Сюда подошел? Сюда. Давай.
Hotel dog guy's market belongs to Winston.
Why was he beating you? He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
ну да. Такс. Неплохо.
And we
Магазин
need to
одежды.
get you outfitted. Over here. People need to know you're one of us. We got an image to maintain. Only the best brand. People gotta know you're successful.
Упс, не изменяет. Так, посмотрим, что тут есть. Начнем. А, да. Такс. Слушай, выбор не особо таки большой, давайте купим это.
Come again. They all kind of look alike, right? Excellent.
Вообще что-то не особо выбор такой.
Excellent.
Это я не хочу. Цепи.
Close here.
Браслеты.
Thank you.
Ладно, так
Get
буду
back to
ходить.
Winston. Chill, you have no
Не, я более аккуратно бегаю по улицам. Ну, в смысле, по школе. Я не школьник, я просто... Ну да, я школьник. Ну ладно. We don't like anymore. Или что там?
Oh, that was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
You wanna tell Harry what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie! You're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you! Don't fuck with me.
Что за хрень вообще? От того, что это парень невидимый, я не могу посмотреть, в чью рожу плюнуть. Дают вам опыт, помогая набирать уровень. Повышение своего уровня, чтобы открывать под новое улучшение. Окей.
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcement. They should probably be gone before they get here.
Ой, ладно, побежали.
That's not very nice.
You want food?
Hey, CDs!
Hey, need clothes? Need food? Great quality.
Hey, you want food for you?
Блин, надеюсь, я хоть правильно иду.
You see the new guy around?
На. Вау, что такое резвый? Готов. Что это было? Вау. Да, меня прям там и похоронили. Так, давайте повторим второй раз. Надо бы реакцию свою вкачать. Спокойной ночи, Мрайс. Даже не надейся. Ноги сломаются. Слушай, а сколько их вообще еще будет? Кто-то еще? А? А, вот. Так. Доставьте деньги в золотую рыбку. Это за обед Сюзан. Я мог сначала это сделать, в принципе. Посмотрите вот только на мою пиксельную рожу. Встретимся со Уинстоном. Блин. Глаза. Мне в такое время бы спать не помешало.
You! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. Say nothing more. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no
О,
problem.
Господи Иисусе.
This week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That hum Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No，唔好要我講第二次啊！
Подожди, кошечки.
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我仇就多過你食米啦。我知我係啱嘅，你個屎忽諗嘢啊！
我話你知啊，
Вы знаете, у Вана, где находится Ним.
做乜鬼啊？
Двигаем жопой своей оранжевой задницей. Ой, блин, отвлекся на спину.
Come check it out. DVDs. Hey, you want food? Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Ты что так легко вообще?
Hey, sexy man, you want
Anything you need at the market, come talk to me.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇？我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you. You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you!
喂，小心啲啊！
Да я тоже как бы умею паркурить, мне не страшно.
Get out of the fucking way, man! Out of the way!
Не спешишь, Мрайс.
你係鴛鴦？喂，你哋盲㗎？
Oh shit!
Оу. Мои извинения, но в китайских боевиках всегда так. Чисто тупо пробела нажималка. О, какие люди. я же заблокировал. Какого фига? Бомб-печь. И в мусорку, братан. А чё, всё? А он чё, не бежал, потому что надеялся, что меня убьют? Ага, удачи. Оп, комбинация. Бом, с ноги, детка. Дважды с ноги. Не сопротивляйся, детка. Оп, 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 оп. Наска. Ладно, жду пока надо. И хватаю. Чё не блокируется? Какого? Аллилуйя, блин. У меня просто надо что-то ПКМ-ка то ли заедала, то я не знаю. То может механика игры такая.
Dog Guy's gonna kill you! Fuck Dog Guys! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it. Okay, okay. But please, make sure Dog Guys doesn't kill me. Fuck.
Шикарно. Ладно, хоть забавные касцены что ли будут.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun on Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it
But
against
for God's
protocol...
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What? Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
Вообще, да, мне стоит быть поосторожнее слегка. Кстати, я заметил, что игра сохранилась. Не знаю, можно... Я вас понял. Костюм Рика из Джеткауза, кстати. Я хочу себе этот костюм. Я играл в Джеткауз 2. И, блин, он мне понравился. Если... Ага, класс. Окей. Что-то я немного заморозился над одним.
American gangs, the Asian ones, don't compare to the Triads. I don't like this cocky little fucker. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.
Обожаю эти невидимые касцены просто. Ладно, посмотрим, что там по времени. В принципе, можно еще поиграть. В вашей квартире есть кровать, гардероб и монитор видео, но с него можно подключиться к сломанным камерам.
What do you think of dried seahorse?
Слава богу, хоть камера тут показывается.
Supposed to make your man stay hard for 3 hours. She wants to see moving stairs.
Грабеж, доставка. Забейте свой банк со стоянки. А, байк. Тю. О.
Hey, what can I do for you?
Выбрать. Итак, давайте-ка едем, давайте на зеленую, я не знаю. Вообще игра мне пока что нравится, она как GTA, только это вообще не GTA.
Drive much?
Кстати, а как сходить с транспорта, а то я не видел.
Wait,
Oh.
you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun on Yi, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. The last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pole up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level London looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
We'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Не понял, о чем они говорили, ну да ладно. Я же
Where'd you get the van?
English.
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride.
Какая же офигенная
I'm thinking I'm
чувствительность.
gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think you made?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship? Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me. Whoa. Oh shit.
What's all the crap in the back?
The haul from my last score, baby.
Haul? What haul?
Tires, CRT monitors, a whole bunch of. Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us.
Я
They
уж
should
думал,
only
я
be a
заехал
few
не
guards.
туда.
Keep the engine running.
А, сейчас будет писелка.
Come and get me!
Шапочка. А, даже не веселилась. Что такое, еще не страшно? Теперь сюда ко мне. Блин, я хотел вообще... А, у меня еще есть возможность. Ну, давай как-то. Нет, прошу, не бери меня. еще немножко. Давайте знакомиться. Что с ним не так? Блин, пацаны, что за хрень? У меня не прожимается ПКМ. Какого хрена? Ёбаный антивирус. Блин, спасибо тебе. Из тебя у меня упала пачка хп. Ну все. На запуск. А, я не могу кнопку нажать. Ну ладно. Подошел паренька. Хоп, и давай. Отныне тебе мусор. Давайте-ка выхватим у него оружие. Да я только на ПК, блин, нажму. Вы что собираетесь? Да ну надо. Ты не было запланировано? Я это сделал. Я... Я беспочвенно задержан. Что следующее? Что, все? Ну ладно. В этот раз было намного попроще. Блин, чувствительность в машине — это жопа. Может, они решили, что она им не нужна, поскольку камера сама поворачивается? Не знаю.
Don't let him get away, man!
А, я вас понял.
Oh shit! Run him off the road!
Блин, вождение — это явно не моя сильная сторона.
Faster, man!
Меня явно за это убьют.
That's our whole score driving away!
Оу, нам явно хана. Дай мне свои права, я их разрежу нагло. Так нет у меня никаких прав.
I thought you said this was gonna be easy.
Мне показалось, я там кого-то убил.
Hurry up, man! They're getting away!
Он не уйдет. Мы тоже от ментов не уйдем, но все же. Слава богу, что белая машина быстрее черной. Да. Ах ты мразь!
That's them! Get them! Get them! Get them!
Да как же я заманался?
Hit him!
Ой, да ну нафиг, знаете.
Don't let him get away, man! Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
Это было жестоко, по-честному. Но он меня Лили достал. Я за ним гнался не знаю сколько. Я снес не знаю сколько столбов, убил не знаю сколько людей, но я его убил. Точнее, сбил машину. Ну ладно.
Wait! We got him!
Шик.
Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's raining Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tyler, let the cops drive! Wait, drive!
Простите, мистер полицейский.
Where'd they come from?
Я из-за этой надписи вообще ничего не вижу.
Man, why can't they just leave us alone?
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone.
Серьезно, они нас ставили, потому
No
что
wonder
я
there's
пока
so many criminals
похоронил.
in this town. Those cops suck. Whoa!
Просто.
I
Уже,
don't know.
да.
He's an asshole, poke guy, but he has friends in high places.
Чисто надо ехать уже на контроле. Это тупо ускорение.
So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry, I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. So no la.
Alright, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here, take this watch. You earned it.
Right, I finally hit the big time.
Смешно. Так, давайте-ка улучшимся. Отражение вражеских атак. Повышение урона от ударов. Сопротивление ударам. Игроки получают пониженный урон от невооруженных врагов. Дополнительный урон от всех ударов. А, я тебя понял. Слушайте, давайте урон себе увеличим. Все, отлично. Отлично, и у меня до сих пор есть ножик. А, возьми, придурок. Я не хотел этого. Зачем он это сделал? Ты пойдешь со мной, это не обсуждается. Да он просто бегает кругами. Это еще из храброго решил себе построить. Коробки. Ненавижу коробки. Я мне покажу тебе прикол, братан. Смотри, вот видишь, тот автомат с газировочкой. Там есть одна прикольная штучка. Я тебе ее даже бесплатно куплю, пойдем. Я там тебя посмотри поближе. Смотри. Ты что, дебил? Ты его сломал. Думаю, больше не встанет. Слишком отжигательная газировка. Итак, с вами был этот чувак. С вами был М, Ю и Z. Так, подписывайтесь на мой канал. Ставьте лайки. И звонки на бубенчики. Колокольчик. Да, вы поняли. Все, всем спокойной ночи, или доброе утро, или приятного вечера, день. Ну, вы поняли, короче. Все, всем пока-пока. Люблю вас. Удачи.